Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video brought to you by HEM. Our topic is assets. If you'd like to upload the document and use it as an attachment or downloadable link in your email, all you have to do is under components, choose assets. To upload an asset, click on new and then drag and drop your asset or select it. And by default, the title of your asset will be the name of the file. You could add a description for your asset and a category. If it exists, you just select it, and you could also create a new one. When you're done, you simply save and close, and then your asset is saved in Mautic. You have the option also to edit, clone, preview, or delete your assets. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, please visit our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.